Welcome back. Before we write the final email client, we must address a security measure enforced by modern email providers like Gmail. You typically cannot use your main account password to log in via SMTP anymore. Instead, you need a specialized app password. 1. Why an app password? Gmail requires this step for security, especially if two-factor authentication or 2FA is enabled, which it should be. The app password is a unique, one-time generated password that grants limited access only to the specified application, making it much safer than using your primary login credential. 2. Prerequisites, two-step verification. You must have Gmail's two-step verification turned on to generate an app password. If you do not have it enabled, pause the video and turn it on now. 3. The generation process. Access the following URL: https://myaccount.google.com/app-passwords. You may be required to enter your password and blah blah. Then you see this appearance. You may name the app SMTP client, then click on Create. Then you see a 16-character password, which is your app password. 4. Save the app password. Crucially, copy and save this password immediately. This 16-character string is the password you will use in our Python script in place of your main account password. To send emails via SMTP with Gmail, you must have two-step verification enabled and generate a unique app password, a 16-character string. This password replaces your account password in the Python script. Our next lecture 27.11. Email client. See you there.